So in this question, we're looking for the median height of three people. Well, that's just going to be the height of the person who is in the middle. So not the tallest person, not the shortest person, the third person, the one in between. What's that person's height? That whatever that is, that's going to be the answer to this question. So they're telling us that Ron is 4 inches taller than Amy, and Barbara is 1 inch taller than Ron. That means that Ron is in the middle. Now we know that Barbara's inch is 65, and again, she's 1 inch taller than Ron. Well, then he must be 64 inches, and that's the answer. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.